Another thing is the degree of differential equation. Okay. What we mean when we say degree of differential equation? We learn order, we learn the nonlinear, linear. Now, the third classification is what's the degree of the differential equation. Let us read the definition. The degree of a differential equation is the power exponent, yani 2 of the highest order. Highest order. So, to know the degree, you have to know the order first. You have to understand what's meaning of order in order to know how you will find the degree of the equation. Now, highest order derivative term in the differential equation. So, let us see this example. Which one is the highest order? This one or this one? First or second? Highest order? First. Okay. What is the degree? What is the degree of this one? Is 1. Then, in this case, which one is the highest?
First one.
First one. Because this force is the first derivative to power 4. It's not the fourth derivative. It's the first derivative to power 4. This one is the third derivative. So, this is the case. This is the height. What's the degree of this one?
1.
Degree. أكيد لازم هو وقتها كده. degree هذا أول شيء. مثلا تو أنا كيد سنة. يكا دوا سيا. دوا كيد. Now in this case, this one is the second order. This one is first order, okay? But the second order is to power 3, which makes the power of the y 3. This means the degree will be 3. Why we didn't take this one? Because we say the highest order. So this is the degree of the highest order. Clear? Okay. Some more examples. Look at this one. dy over dx is equal to exponential of x. What's the order? Order is 1. What's the degree? Is also 1. The second one. This the second derivative of y over dx squared dy. So, this is the highest order, which is 2, and the degree of the highest order is 1. In this case, this is the third, the highest order, and the degree of the highest order is 1. So, this one is degree is higher, but it's not the highest order. So we will consider this one. Another case. This is the first derivative squared. This is the first derivative. And then, so, in this case, when you square this one, it will be first derivative but squared. So the degree will be squared. In this case, we have, you see, second derivative, second order, but the power 5. So the degree will be 5. You need to, I will give you some examples later. What we will do, we will deal with model, as I said. We will put the lectures in the model. We will put the homeworks in the model. You will upload your files in the model. I'll put a folder for each homework. Don't mix the homeworks. For example, when I say this folder is for homework number 1, you'll put all homework number 1 in this one. Don't mix. يعني لمدرمة تعامل ما بين عيدة بيتم محاضرة كان لكن الفيديو لمدر دادني وبي الطلباني كمش لكن أكيد بدستيان بقى يوز طبعا شدنا كاتن أيدي طبعا كمشكلة يعني قرر بتواني طبعا بالنسبة هومورك كان لمدر دادني بنداد مثلا هومورك لخلال دروش بريد تقديم البيت شلون تقديم البيت مثلا هومورك رقم 1 فولدر شلون لكم لمدة كحتى انتمناه فولدر دادني لايمن هر نفرك كداي دنيتن ابلود إذا دستنا فولدر شي بناي او شخصا مشكلة منين تخلوان بلا معناه ونيا تلسر ورق كي كحلت كدينا ياخذنا نسي شعبي ياخذنا نسي يعني اوانا مش لنا روتين تبي نسي تبي ناو ديالي رقمي هم ككيدي بنسي راس لاي من دستو فولدر بلا مزال تو غلط ابلود لك لانه فولدر شي غلط دادني فحتى اشكالات نزنا بيتم او فولدر كلا هم شي يقدر لا دايري بو شكلي بو نوعي طلع
دوبلش على كمان ستيج وعلى بلاي ستيشن يعني لو ابلكيشن كلها بتشوف
أو شيء مسؤولي موضوعي طلبان اللي هو مدوري لا حسين اوكي لأنه الناس سامع كان